Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Excel treats entries that look numeric as numbers and removes leading zeros automatically. This behavior affects ZIP codes and product ID. For example, 01234 becomes 1234 when Excel converts it to a number. That automatic conversion is the reason zeros disappear unexpectedly. Understanding that Excel converts by default is the first step. If you want to keep the zero, you must change how Excel interprets the cell before you type. The only reliable method is to format cells as text before you enter data. First, select the target cells or entire column that will hold codes. Next, open Format Cells, choose Text, and confirm the change for those cells. Now type values like 01234 and Excel will preserve the leading zero exactly as entered. This prevents later correction work and keeps data integrity for ZIP codes and product ID. Formatting first is the correct and dependable approach. If data already lost zeros, reformat the cells to text and re-enter values to restore zeros. As a quick fix, you can prefix a single entry with an apostrophe like 01234 to keep the zero. For fixed-length numeric codes, you can also apply a custom format, such as 00000, to display leading zeros visually. However, custom formats still treat the value as a number. The best practice is always to set text format before importing or typing codes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.